welcome back to my channel. I'm DaniaaDee and I'm back with another wig review. This review will be on a wig I got from the company Alipearl on Amazon. This is the package the hair comes in. It comes with a stocking cap and an elastic band for extra security. I don't think I'll be using that because I just throw on the wigs. They fit my head perfectly fine. I don't need this. This is the wig. It comes in the color 99j. It has the 2 adjusted straps and the 3 clips. It's 12 inches long and 150 density. It also comes pre-plucked, so I don't really have to do much work to the hairline unless I want to. So this is the wig on. This is how it looks. I really like this color. It's perfect for fall. I don't know, I'll probably have to pluck this a little bit. Maybe. I don't want to thin it out too much. But this is how it looks. Okay, so now I'm gonna install. I'll install like how I always install on my other wig. So guys, this is the finished look. This wig, it took to the flat iron really well. I plucked a little bit of the front. I didn't realize that the lace was folded a bit, but I fixed it at the end of the recording. I didn't really show it in this video. So this wig only cost me $64. Once again, it's a 12-inch bob, color 99j. All in all, this is a pretty good quality wig. I would recommend it to anybody that's into this color. I'm loving this color for fall. Also human hair, if you didn't catch that in the beginning. To the side, show you the back. This is the back. I didn't really flat iron it. Couldn't really flat iron it really well in the back, but that's how it looks. This wig is kind of big head friendly. I had a little problems with the side, but I fixed it a bit. It's not tight. It fits pretty well. It's light. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Thank you guys for watching.